Technology has changed the power tool game. With one battery now powering over 100 tools, you can mow it, shape it, trim it, drill it, all on the same battery. Ryobi One Plus. One battery powers over 100 tools.
Introducing the CS300 40-volt max cordless chainsaw from Oregon, the most powerful member of the Oregon cordless family. With 40% more power and torque than the highly regarded CS250, the CS300 gives you more strength and an even faster cut. Equipped with a brushless motor and a high-capacity 40-volt max lithium-ion battery, you're able to tackle almost any job. Featuring Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology, you can sharpen the chain on the saw, on the job, in seconds. The CS300 is the only self-sharpening battery-operated chainsaw on the market. With the CS300, you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Enjoy the solid construction of this durable, lightweight chainsaw, featuring a 16-inch bar and chain and toolless chain tensioning, offering the ultimate in battery convenience. This CS300 is built for tough jobs where you require power and precision. 4 times quieter than a gas saw, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Pull the trigger for an instant start and a long, reliable runtime. Get up to 400 cuts on a single charge. The high-capacity 40-volt battery holds its charge in storage for months and can be swapped between all cordless Oregon products. So you can power your whole Oregon cordless family with one battery. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced to reduce fatigue so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS300 40-volt max cordless chainsaw from Oregon. Always powerful, always ready.